Hello, I'm Erickson Navier and I'm excited to share my professional journey and expertise with you. I have had the privilege of working as a virtual assistant for the past 3 years. During this time, I've gained valuable experience in various areas. One, I'm proficient in appointment setting and schedule management, ensuring that my client's schedule runs smoothly and efficiently. I have a creative side too. I'm experienced in photo and video editing software including Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Canva. This allows me to create visually engaging content that captivates and resonates with audiences. I excel in creating presentations and documents using Microsoft Office, ensuring that information is conveyed clearly and professionally. I'm knowledgeable in social media management platforms. I've also developed and maintained websites using WordPress, ensuring that they're user-friendly and always up-to-date. I'm also known for my strong written and verbal communication abilities, and I'm detail-oriented and highly organized. This helped me maintain accurate records and manage multiple tasks simultaneously. I'm passionate about using my skills and experience to make a positive impact. If you think I could be a valuable addition to your team, I'd love to hear from you. Please feel free to reach out. Let's explore how can I contribute to your success. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about my background. I look forward to potential opportunities ahead. Have a great day. Thank you.